How can I resist this 57 Ranchero? I like the custom grill. It's got some nice touches throughout, just to make it look that much nicer. I like the full wheel covers. 3-speed, 312 engine, power steering, power brakes, air conditioning. Looks like add-on. Yeah, it's an add-on AC. Nice interior. Good tonneau. Nice example of a 57. Asking $29,500. And again, remember, this is Wednesday, so let's see what comes out. Yeah, it's got some waves and such, but mild custom. It is cool. I like this Chevy Concours. This is a 68 Malibu Sport Coupe. What's nice is the hardtop, which is pretty cool, but this is 6-cylinder automatic. It's a 250. Nice little car, done up nicely. It was restored by a retired fire commissioner and used in parades. That's kind of nice, wouldn't you agree? A fun ride, definitely. They're asking $16,900. Still has the vent windows. I thought those went away in '67. It's got all the radios in there. Very nice. Not a bad car. And a lot of fun, something just a little bit different. It's got a few blems, but hey, that's all right. I like this 57 Coronet. Look at the way how they got prepared for the 58s. They had the driving lamp over there. 72,000 miles. Original sheet. Garage kept. Last registered in '68. Sheet metal. There it is, the October. Original interior, AM radio, automatic. Interesting treatment on the roof. And look at the build. I'll bet you that's the original. It has been repainted though. Lots of dust and dirt in that paint, hiding a lot of ills. Oh, that's cool. That is cool. Metropolitan Harley Davidson Dealers Annual Spring Rally, 1964. That is nice. There's the push button automatic. That is one sporty car.
I mean, right now, I looked the other day. I got like.
I want to get run over here. That's what they're asking. Ooh, dual hood ornaments. Asking. Does not say what they're asking. Shoot. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, I think it's over here. No, that's the phone number. Yeah, same thing. Asking $18,000. Little 36 Plymouth. Nicely restored. I always love that stuff. That is so cool. A little filigree, which really makes it interesting. 4-door sedan. Beautiful. I wonder if it's open. I want to show you this heater down below. Look at that dash. There's your air conditioning. Just crank out the windshield. Show you the back seat. Lots of room there. Has suicide doors. That's a cool car. I like it. Real friendly little girl. Asking $14,500. Not bad at all. Here's the 66 with the 427 4-speed. Asking $4,500. I like the dog dish. It is an SS, of course. It's been restored. I'm not going to say anything because they're talking money right now. If this is an original 427, I say yeah. But I would have to start checking all numbers.
Yeah, I thought the 427 cars originally were no console cars.